Alright everyone, welcome to BoxBreaksNow.com. We have 2 boxes of Momentum 2012-13 basketball sold on eBay and directly on our website, BoxBreaksNow.com. Here are your teams for tonight. Throw in our little disclaimer here. Let's get some focus. There she goes. 4-16-14 Panini Momentum basketball 2 box breaks. Here's your teams. Also, something to note, if you bought on eBay and on our website, you may show 2 different screen names because our website, your purchase comes over as a different name. We figure it out and you will get your cards no matter what. Second, these are for Momentum teams that ended on the 16th of April today on eBay. So if you bought on eBay and your name is not in the right place, or you don't see your name, or you see somebody else's name, doesn't matter. We have the orders. We will get it right. We we totally make mistakes on spreadsheets. Don't hold it against us. We will get you your cards if you bought these teams. There's no doubt about that. There are some last minute orders coming in, so let me just check on them, make sure see if they're for football. Okay, they are, so no big deal. So here we go. Here's our Momentum break, 2 boxes. Here's your teams. And like always, until the first pack opens, you have a chance to buy in. We will still put you in. We know sometimes our system's a little slower than the break. So there's your teams for Momentum. Here we go. Alright, 2 boxes of Momentum, like always on BoxBreaksNow.com. Big hits, big shots. A worthy shot will get a shot. A worthy hit will get a shot, rather. Here you go. 2 boxes, one's going to go aside at the moment. Here you go. Good luck, everyone. Hey, what do you know? It's Kobe. Everyone's favorite pack. I mean, who the hell cares about the other pack? We have a Kobe pack here. You know, maybe we'll get Kobe's scoreboard, or maybe Kobe will be dribbling. Maybe Kobe will dunk it for once. Alright guys, here we go. Kobe pack to start. Actually, this pack actually feels thin. Maybe it's like 1 Kobe hit. Doubt it. Alright, let's see what we get. Not going to be a Kobe hater here. I still have not seen a Kobe hit in my history of breaking boxes. From these Kobe packs, rather. Yeah, there's a new Kobe I haven't seen now. Kobe is dunking. Kobe is stuffing. Like Thanksgiving. There's Kobe shooting. There's Kobe looking for his mom in the stands. And there's Kobe like, get that dirt off my shoulder, man. Alright. Like usual, a terrible pack of cards, thanks to Kobe Bryant. Here we go, here's our Momentum pack. Let's hope that this is different. A new technique that I learned with these Momentum packs. Split the seam, opens nice, instead of ripping at it. Here we go. Yep. Nope. Maybe not. There she goes. Nice and careful. Alright, so we know we have 15 cards here, so we're going to go slow and steady. Make it as fun as possible. And speaking of as fun as possible, there's a Kobe base card. Definitely better than the Kobe pack card. So there's number 1, is Kobe. Is anyone else having trouble seeing cards? I don't think so. Alright, so there's 1. Kobe base. I'm going to go old school. Gary Payton. Base card. Try to get a little focus here. Chris Copeland. Quincy Miller. Quincy Miller. Gary Neal. And for Golden State, we're going to get a nice short print die cut. And that's going to be Haley Thompson. That's a short print. That's 25 out of 25. These die cuts are pretty rare. So there's a hit going out to Golden State. First hit. I got something nasty coming up next. I'll tell you that much. For them Clippers, there he is, Chris Paul. How about that? That's a Chris Paul drive. Number 29 out of 49. Chris Paul. These drive cars are pretty sought after. Only 49 a player in this whole set. And you have a Chris Paul. Whoever got the Clippers. Nice hit there for the Clippers. Alright, next. Here we go. Premier Rookie on card, Austin Rivers. That's a momentous rookie, Austin Rivers for New Orleans. And that's an on card auto. That's a premier signature. Austin Rivers for New Orleans. First auto going out to New Orleans. Now for Cleveland, monumental marks. Alonzo Gee. And that's numbered 122 out of 129 for Cleveland. Alonzo Gee. Next, momentous rookies for the Bulls, Marcus Teague. For the Bulls, momentous rookie auto, Marcus Teague. For the Bulls. Here's another on card for Oklahoma City, Reggie Jackson. Oklahoma City, momentous rookies on card, Reggie Jackson. That's an on card auto. Nice on card auto. It's always nice to get an on card in Momentum. That is actually a difference. Then we have a Jeff Taylor for Charlotte. You have to excuse me for not putting the base cards on top. So we have to. This is our last hit, I believe. Then we're going to have a couple more base cards. There you go, Charlotte. Jeff Taylor. All right. Then we have a Nate Archibald, old school style. Darren Collison. And Shane Battier. Alright, that's one box down, one to go. There we go, there's our next box. Let's get these in a safe place. Box number 2 of our 2-box Momentum break, BoxBreaksNow.com. Get your select teams for select football coming up next. If there's some teams left, get them now. Oh, look at that. It's Kobe. What's up, man? Alright, here's our Kobe pack. That's Kobe. If you guys don't know who that is, it's Kobe. That's Kobe trying to figure out which way the wind's blowing. Kobe's actually taking a shot. I know it's something you don't see very often. Kobe's probably looking not to pass there. And Kobe's like, man, who farted, man? What's that smell? Is that you? Get your hand off my back, man. Alright. Someone's collecting that set, you know. I just want you guys to know that. Alright, here we go. This one's feeling a little thick. Feeling a little thick. I always say that, though. Something different about these Momentum packs, you know. I always say they feel a little thick, and then they're never actually any thicker than the previous one. I think maybe the redemptions make them thick. So that might mean that there's probably a redemption in here. Alright, fellas, here we go. Old school style. Let's get your soul glow on. AC Green. He's got that soul glow. I need a drink after that. Oof. I'm getting cornier by the day, man. This happens when you watch Disney movies all day long. Terrence Jones. It's Jimmer Fredette. Jim wasn't good enough, so they went for Jimmer. Hey, Jimmer. I'm gonna go pick up the dog. I'll meet you down on the dirt road. Daquan Blair. That's a big man. Joakim Noah in his awesome hair. Pablo Prigioni. Draymond Green. John Wall. Mario Chalmers. Get a little focus there. There we go. Alright, we have a drive. Alec Burks going out to the Utah Jazz. Number 10 out of 49, which is his jersey number. It's a little extra special there. Alec Burks going out to the Jazz. Here we go. Old school style for the Cleveland Cavaliers. Danny Ferry out of 49. How about that old school card right there? Danny Ferry auto. Danny Ferry auto going out to the Cavs. Take a look at that numbering. And I do see redemption coming up, so let me just get my screen just in case we get a D-leaguer. Okay, so there you go, Danny Ferry, 28 out of 49. And we do have a redemption, and it's going to be Momentous rookies. Card number 14. And it's going to be Jimmy Butler. It's going to go out to the Chicago Bulls. Jimmy Butler. Redemption for the Bulls. Jimmy Butler for the Bulls. There you go. There's your redemption. Alright. Next, for the Washington Bullets, how about a Rod Strickland auto, number 2 out of 99? 2 out of 99. Rod Strickland. 2 out of 99. There you go. That's why I say don't think about rookies all the time with this stuff, you know? Rod Strickland. And here we have something interesting. We're going to have a hit die cut auto. 1 out of 5. Super short print, gold die cut auto. And if I could get some light, it would be awesome. And that's going to be Carl Landry for Golden State. That's a short print. That's a legitimate hit right there. 1 out of 5. Look at that die cut gold. Going out to Golden State. And finally, on-card auto for Orlando, Etwan Moore, number 46 of 49. Etwan Moore. Momentous rookies, 48 out of 49. I'm sorry, 46 of 49. You guys want me to take a shot for who? Who am I taking a shot for? Which one of those? Oh, fine. Whatever. I'll do it for what? I don't know if these are really shot deserving. Jesus, you guys are brutal. Hey, listen. If there was a job out there where people just paid you to drink on camera, I think there's a lot of people out there that can make some money. I'll tell you what, there's probably a lot of people out there that can make some money. Alright, cheers. Here we go. Alright, so there we go. You know what's terrible right now is that those wires back there. Put my 101 in front of them. Let me stop my recording here. That was our momentum break. I'm not going to stop it yet because I'm going to do a quick hit rundown. Alright, so here we go. Non-autos. Alec Burke drives for Utah. This is a nice one right here. Chris Paul for the Clippers. Drive out of 49. Short print Klay Thompson out of 25. Die cut. 25 of 25 for Golden State. Golden State did pretty well here. Here's a redemption for Jimmy Butler for Chicago. Then we have Rod Strickland auto. Etwan Moore. Etwan Moore auto. Orlando. Carl Landry. 1 of 5 die cut auto for Golden State. How about a Danny Ferry for Cleveland? Danny Ferry for Cleveland. Monumental Marks auto. Jeff Taylor for Charlotte auto. Alonzo Gee, Monumental Marks for Cleveland again. Cleveland did well here. Marcus Teague for Chicago. Momentous Rookies auto. Reggie Jackson for Oklahoma City. And Austin Rivers for New Orleans. So the big teams of 12-13 really did pretty well here. Alright, so there we go. I'm going to stop my recording.